Hello, in this video I want to show you how to take full page screenshot with Realme C55. And to do this we'll need to open the settings first, then scroll all the way down and find additional settings, locate gestures and motions, and right here we can enable swipe down with 3 fingers to take a screenshot. Now go back, open any app that allows you to scroll down. In this case I'm gonna go with the settings, and you can use power key and volume down key combination to take a screenshot. Then select the scroll and it should begin scrolling down the entire page. You can click on done anytime if you're satisfied with the amount of your screenshot. Click on done and here we have it, full page screenshot. Next option to do it, which we enabled in gestures, is to slide down 3 fingers. It will make a screenshot as well, and click on scroll. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.